How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of loose skin on your face step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. The support helps my channel grow. So first exercise we are going to do, the loose skin on the face, we're going to be targeting the cheeks and underneath the neck. That's where most people are going to have the loose skin. So the first exercise is going to be the fish face like this. "35 reps, quick little break. The next exercise we're going to do is we're going to lift our chin like this, and then you're just going to open your mouth like this. "20 reps, perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise, we're going to lift our chin like this. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.